Hi all, welcome back to another recipe. Today, let's see how to make hummus without adding tahini. Hummus is a popular Middle Eastern dip made with chickpeas, and tahini is a ground sesame paste that's traditionally used in Middle Eastern cuisine. The basic hummus recipe, tahini is the main ingredient, but here we are not adding tahini. Let's see how to make this yummy dip. Please watch. Yes, it's very easy to make and it takes only 2 minutes to prepare. You will love this simple and yummy dip which is made using simple ingredients. It's a great combo with all types of bread and rotis. All of you must try. Thank you.